What's good, what's good, what's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you, what's goody, what's good? I am shooting this video real quick today. It's not going to be long because it's kind of sleeting up here where we're at. And I'm shooting this, so I wanted to make it real quick, guys. I wanted to share with you how the Fearless Momma works. People asking, does it work? Do you get the $250 commission? Yes, okay. So guys, if you're seeing it, I'm sharing my screenshot of my proof here of a commission that I made with the program and how you can be doing the exact same thing here, guys. I mean, literally everything is given to you. The sales funnels, the sales pages, literally everything. So the only thing you need to do is just tap into the system here and get going, okay? So I just wanted to share the proof with you to let you know that this system is real, that you can make the $250 commissions. There's no cap, it's unlimited. There's no monthly fees, there's no admin fees, none of that, guys. Pretty much here, even if you don't have a marketing system, they got you covered as well, where they will pretty much do the follow-ups for you to pretty much get people to join. All right, so all the trainings in the back office where we're going to show you, take you by the hand on how to do everything from Facebook ads all the way down to Craigslist, all the way up to buying solo ads. So guys, the things that generate leads into your business, we're going to show you how to do. So definitely hit the link at the bottom and check it out, get going, so you can be a part of this as well. This thing is hot. First of the year is definitely gonna get hot, man. I mean, we got in right at the groundbreaking part of it, and you should definitely be doing the same thing. All right, so definitely check it out. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification gang button, hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the notification gang. So when I'm dropping videos or if I have something I want to update you on, you guys will definitely be aware of that. All right, so this your boy Jay. Want you guys have a beautiful and blessed Thursday. Peace.